Hello and welcome to this tutorial, guys. Now we are going to see what are documentation strings, or a nicer way to call them is docstrings. So when you have studied functions, you might have seen there are some types to write functions. So first we define it. Inside the definition, we use some docstrings or comments to tell the user or to tell the coder or to us actually that what does this function do, what does this particular function has performs actually. After that we write the particular code, and after that we just return the whatever we want to return inside the function and all. So let us write a documentation. So first of all, I'll have a function, say func. This is my function, and inside it I'm going to use a documentation string. To write a documentation string, you use triple quotes, and inside this write the documentation string. So I don't know what this function do, so I'll just say I'm a docstring. So this is a docstring basically. And after that, what I'm going to do is, see, I don't want it to do anything, so I'll just write return none because I don't want anything to be performed by this function. So first of all, let us run this function, or rather call this function func. So obviously it will not do anything. Actually I'll write something over here. Return, I'll say I am not. So because docstring said I am a docstring, it will say I am not a docstring. So I'll have to print this function now. Okay, now say it will print out I am not, whatever the function was supposed to do. So now to get access to this docstring, what we do is we just write function, the name of the function, dot double underscore doc, and then again double underscore. So how to do it? See, this is one of the important things for accessing the docstring. You don't have to use the parentheses. So you just write the name of the function without the parentheses. You write dot, and then you get the option double underscore doc, and then again double underscore, and run this code. So obviously it will print out I am a docstring. That is okay. Hold on, here there were 4 double quotes. Yeah, so it will print I am a docstring. So that's what it is, the docstring basically. So this is the lame way, or easier way to write a docstring and all. So to write a standard function, so we have a standard function of adding two numbers. So suppose define addition, and inside the docstring you will write this function adds two numbers, and you will return a plus b. That is, the parameters will be a plus b, and then if you print out the docstring, it will print out this function adds two numbers. So that's what is the use of docstrings basically. We get what is the function going to do. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.